Hello, it's not very often that I get to actually record an exam program, but I just wanted to record this for the sake of evidence and just a bit of explanation. So I'm not going to go over any of the code itself. I'm just going to run this and show you what's happening. There's still some glitches in the FBO stuff, and I have not been able to fully figure them out. I thought I figured them out, but I'm still getting the gross flickering on the FBO objects once in a while. This left one is a bit more stable, but also flickers if you get too far away. Again, not 100% certain why. But yeah, so the two FBO objects are on the left and right. So basically they just have an angle, and the map view uses that angle, and then every few seconds or whatever it randomizes and changes to a different angle to show the space station in a different spot. And when this one wants to work, you can see it working, sort of, between all the flickering and flashing. Again, it seems to be something to do with whichever or what is the last thing being drawn before the final full screen buffer. Because when I was putting models in one at a time, like I put the main console in and it was flickering. I put one of the corner consoles in, the main console stopped flickering, but the corner console started. So I added a secret ball after I drew the rest of these models at 1000, 1000, 1000. And that made all of these models stop flickering. But then when I did the FBO stuff, they get added after and to the end of the list of things to draw. So the secret ball ended up being useless. So I tried to add a second secret ball that gets added after the FBO objects, but it has to be something to do with the order that they're being drawn, because I have no other explanation for why this one on the left is mostly stable, but the one on the right barely works at all. And then the shader texture effects, I do think it's really funny that in all these futuristic sci-fi movies, one of the almost consistent features is the fact that the screens are always staticky and look like shit. I'm not sure why this left screen has a black texture. I added if statements around all the textures that I added for them. They're all being loaded good. I think binary gadget. Oh, wait. Am I not? I might not actually be adding the right texture. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show. They are working. I don't know what's up with that FBO glitch. Thank you. Have a good night.